Delhi Assembly will likely have a very fiery upcoming first Assembly session where the BJP government will be in power. We are told with the Atishi, who will now take up the leader of opposition's position. Aam Aadmi Party has named her, and therefore Atishi, remember one of the prominent MLAs, one from Kalkaji, one of the few big names who actually managed to win out of 22 MLAs. She's been named leader of opposition. What does this mean? Very interesting. A woman chief minister and a woman leader of opposition in Delhi, possibly for the first time. So it's going to be an interesting war of words. Atishi already hitting out at the BJP. BJP government is lying on tabling the CAG report. Atishi says AAP government sent the CAG report in a sealed cover. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party, while has been charging at the BJP says all the CAG reports that Aam Aadmi Party government did not table, we will table against them.
जो सीएजी की रिपोर्ट्स हैं, उन सीएजी की रिपोर्ट्स को मैंने बतौर मुख्यमंत्री स्पीकर साहब को भेजा है। तो ये जो फैलाया जा रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया है, ये सीएजी रिपोर्ट्स चुनाव से पहले ही दिल्ली विधानसभा एक सील्ड एनवेलप में चली गई थी। ये सीएजी रिपोर्ट्स पहले हाउस में प्रस्तुत होनी ही थी। तो इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो ये भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश कर रही है कि उन्होंने फैसला लिया है, वो रिपोर्ट्स प्रस्तुत करेंगे, ये बिल्कुल भ्रामक है।
All right, so that's Atishi. Now the LOP in Delhi Assembly, 22 MLAs, Aam Aadmi Party, 48 MLAs, BJP. So it's, remember, after a very long time, literally after 2013 when Aam Aadmi Party had taken over, that now we have a fairly good number of both the ruling party MLAs and the opposition. Till now, there were only about 3 to 5, maximum 8 MLAs in the opposition. So it's going to be a fiery showdown, BJP has said. CAG report on what they call the Sheesh Mahal, the renovations done at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, will have the CAG report tabled. The liquor excise policy issue will have the CAG report tabled. And therefore, the BJP is all set. They want to go all guns blazing against Aam Aadmi Party, which is now in opposition, AAP says. But all the CAG reports have been sent in sealed covers. How are they going to table it? How are they aiming already? How do they know what is precisely in the CAG report findings and details? So that's going to be the big focus. Meanwhile, it's official. You're looking at the Chief Minister of Delhi and the leader of opposition in Delhi. Both women this time, for the first time, reflects fairly well on our national capital. Two women in prime authority right now, both for the government and for opposition strategies. So the first assembly session will be very interesting. Let's listen in. Why is Atishi then charging at the CAG report issue?
जो सीएजी की रिपोर्ट्स हैं, उन सीएजी की रिपोर्ट्स को मैंने बतौर मुख्यमंत्री स्पीकर साहब को भेजा है। तो ये जो फैलाया जा रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया है, ये सीएजी रिपोर्ट्स चुनाव से पहले ही दिल्ली विधानसभा एक सील्ड एनवेलप में चली गई थी। ये सीएजी रिपोर्ट्स पहले हाउस में प्रस्तुत होनी ही थी। तो इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो ये भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश कर रही है कि उन्होंने फैसला लिया है, वो रिपोर्ट्स प्रस्तुत करेंगे, ये बिल्कुल भ्रामक है।
My colleague Ashutosh Mishra joining me for the latest on that. Ashutosh, two questions here. Tell us about first. Let's go one by one. Now we have LOP confirmed. Atishi, what does it mean? What do you think will be the assembly session? And two, do you think CAG report is going to be the big showdown? Why is Atishi saying BJP is lying over this CAG report?
Technically, it was the Chief Minister Atishi who has sent all these CAG reports to the then Speaker Ram Nivas Goyal and to the Assembly, which is the mandate. Of course, the matter was taken to the Delhi High Court by the then leader of opposition Vijayendra Gupta and 8 other MLAs. So it was the Chief Minister Atishi herself who had sent this to Ram Nivas Goyal, the Speaker, and also to the Delhi Assembly. So the report is already with the Delhi Assembly. Now the new government, of course, with the permission of the Speaker, will table it in the House And of course, that is a key contention between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. She also, when I asked this particular question, that how the AAP is going to tackle with this the showdown, Atishi said that whatever the contest, the context of the report is, the detail must go in the public. But looking at the LOP and the CM, both, like the leader of the house from the ruling party and leader of the house from the opposition benches. So Delhi becomes like a first state where you see both the chief minister and the opposition, both these leaders are women, and technically seeing the administrative and the constitutional portfolios in Delhi. Now literally this legislative assembly will have two women leaders, both from the treasury benches and the opposition. So that's of course going to be very interesting subsequently. As far as the assembly storming session is concerned, that will be very unlikely. However, AAP has indicated that since the biggest promise that the Prime Minister Modi and BJP President had made during all these campaigns, that the first cabinet will have only agenda is to announce 2500 rupees Mahila Samman Bill, and on 8th of March it will be credited in their account. So AAP is exactly waiting for that moment. Perhaps this is the first issue they're going to take it in the House. Subsequently, there is also, if there are schemes that are being changed or any of the previous government schemes that will be halted or taken a break, perhaps that will be contention that the opposition will take it on the street. Of course,
very interesting what you're telling us, how the tone of Atishi also has changed. Till now, remember, defending the government. Now she's taken the opposite tone. She's charging at the government here on. So we'll be tracking all that and more of Delhi Assembly upcoming session. Thank you, Ashutosh, for the latest.